Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, could Tirelo be trying to get Usne on her corner? Because on the latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Tirelo asked a weird question. I found the question quite weird. She asked Abongwe Umpilo and Usne Uguti if it was not for Usingabako, would they still hang around with her, or are they only hanging around with her because of Usingabako? Kinda, it's almost as if someone is saying, Uguti, like, do you guys really like me? Or are you guys tolerating me for the fact that Linengane labam selegu? Now, Abongwe goes on to answer the question, and then Umpilo answers the question. When it comes to Usne's like, please, can I not answer the question? And everyone is like, like, Snedak, why you being shady? Now, Tirelo, in her diary session, she says, Gasha Lombuzo is pointed towards or is directed towards Usne. She wanted to hear what Usne was going to say because Usne was besties with Uvuyogazi. But I was just asking myself, why is this even a thing for you, Tirelo? Why is this the relevance for you of whether Usne is hanging around with you, if she likes you or if she tolerates you or what? Mind you, the reason why they are gathered today is because Abongwe called them. So Usne is not even there hanging around with her because she wants to or because Uketile, but it's because Abongwe invited them. But it just seemed somehow, it was almost as if Tirelo was trying to find out if this family likes her or not. And while the rest of the family really seems to be warming up to her, guys, Usne, remember in season 1, Tirelo made a big deal out of a swimsuit with Usne. So could it be that Usne is still even holding on to that thing of Tirelo making a big deal out of the swimsuit? Also, if you look at Tirelo's attitude on season 1 versus season 3, two totally opposite things. So could it be now in season 3, she's all humble only because now she's feeling the hot seat of being, in inverted commas, the main girlfriend? And maybe that's why Usne kind of feels like, Jengoba, you guys are warming up to her. She's only acting nice, or she's only acting sweet now, only because ufunungena gashe as a wife. Back then, when she was still aside, and she wanted to get back at Uvuyogazi, she was not so nice towards the others or towards Usne. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this thing, Tirelo asking like such a weird question, or do you actually even find the question weird? Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.